Hi, this is Vishwant and register number URK19 CES1232. Subject name Object Oriented Programming Lab. Public class main bracket open public static void main string array args int a array is equals to 25 19 83 11 11 20 20. Int sum is equals to 0 for int I is equals to 0 and I less than a into length comma I plus plus sum is equals to sum plus a I into I system dot out dot print l uh, in the average value of array elements is plus sum by a into length bracket close, and let's run the program. Yeah, the second program is to write a JavaScript that finds the minimum and maximum value of given array using arrays, and import java dot util scanner public class main in bracket open public static void main string array args scanner object is equals to new scanner system into int max is equals to 0 system dot out dot print ln enter size of the array int size is equals to object into next int int arrays is equals to new int size system dot out dot print ln enter plus size plus enter of uh, integer of array for int I is equals to 0 and I less than array into length and I plus plus array I is equals to object dot next int if array now if array and I uh, greater than max and max is equals to array I int main is equals to max for int uh, j is equals to 0 and j less than array into length j plus plus if array uh, j less than minimum and minimum is equals to array into j and system into out into print ln maximum of array plus max plus slash n minimum of array plus minimum, and then let's run the program. Enter the size of array. Let's enter the size of array like 4. Enter 4 integer of array 2 20 32 4. The maximum array is 32 and minimum array 2. Let's go to the third program. And the third program is to write a JavaScript that should find common elements between two arrays using arrays. Import java.util scanner, public class main, and public static void main string array args. Scanner object is equals to new scanner system dot in. Int max is equals to 0 system out print ln enter size of the array 1 and int size 1 is equals to object into next int system dot out dot print ln enter the size of array 2 int size 2 is equals to object dot int next int array 1 is equals to new int size 1 int array 2 is equals to new int size 2 in system dot out dot print ln enter plus size 1 plus integer of array 1 For int I is equals to 0, I less than array my 1 length into I plus plus. Array 1 into I is equals to object into next int, and system dot out dot println and enter plus size 2 plus integer of array 1. And for int j is equals to 0 and less array 2 into length j plus plus array 2 into j is equals to object into next int and system dot out dot println common integer in both the arrays. And for int k is equals to 0 and k less than array 2 into length comma k plus plus. For int m is equals to 0 and m less than array 1 into length comma m plus plus. If array 2 into k double equal to array 1 into m. System dot out dot println array 2 into k, and close the brackets, and then now let's run the program. Just the size of array 1 is with 3 and 4. The three integers of array 1. Now let's get 30, 50, 90. Enter 4 integers of array 1. Array 1. 20, 37, 50, 80. The common integer in both the arrays is 50. And thank you.